ChatGPT has become more popular nowadays, and you can use their API to build your own applications, and you can do that either in Node.js or Python. So in this episode, we are going to see how to install Node.js through NVM, and also we can see both on Windows and Mac. Okay, let's get started with the installation of Node Version Manager. And I already put this link in the description. You can check it out and go to this GitHub page of Node Version Manager, and you can actually see all the commands there, and copy that command, curl command, and hit it in your terminal. I'm using bash. You can actually use Z shell or bash, it's up to you, but I'm just using bash here. And I'm going to create bash rc file, and I'm going to export last two lines into bash rc file. And you basically the default shell for the Mac is Z shell or ZSH. You can either use bash or Z shell. Z shell is just extension of bash, and it has more features. So you can use either of it. It doesn't matter. So let's add these two lines to this bash rc file. Okay, let's see whether these lines are added or not with the cat command. Yes, these are added, and let's see whether NVM works or not. No, it's not working. And for the NVM to work, you need to load this bash rc so that all those two lines will be affected. So now when you load it again, you can actually see it's working. So we are using 0.39.3 version, and there is a command called list. You can actually list all the Node.js versions with the list. Okay, we have installed NVM. Let's use this NVM to install Node.js. I have already put this page in the description. You can open this page and see what is the latest version of Node.js. And go to the GitHub page. Let's go to the GitHub page and GitHub page of Node Version Manager and see how to install. Yeah, there is a install command, and if you install Node, it actually installs latest version of Node. Let's see. Yes, installation done. Let's see, we are using Node version 20. So the current version of Node is 20, so it actually installs the latest version. And we can see Node version is 20 and NPM version is 9. Let's install another one. Let's install version 18. You remember that is the advantage of using Node Version Manager. You can install multiple versions of Node on your laptop. So let's install version 18. Oh, version 18 is already on my laptop, so it's currently using version 18 right now. Let's install version 16. So version 16 is done. We are using version 16 right now. Let's use list command. Yes, we can see 16, 18, 20, all the versions we can see. Okay, we have installed multiple versions of Node.js on our laptop, and let's see how to switch. So we have a command called use, and we are currently using version 16. And NVM has a command called use. You can actually use that command to switch versions. So let's use that. We are currently using 16. We switch it to 18 right now. Let's see. Yes, we have 18. And let's switch it to 18 again, or 16. Yep, we are using 16 again. And yes, you can actually see how easy to switch Node.js versions using Node Version Manager. Let's see how to uninstall Node.js versions using NVM. Let's list what we have right now. We have 16, 18, 20. and let's uninstall version 18. Yep, we have successfully uninstalled 18, and let's list it out again. So we don't see that 18 anymore, and currently we are using 16. Let's clear and let's try to uninstall 16, and let's see what's going to happen. Oops, we cannot uninstall 16 because we are currently using 16. So let's use command to switch to Node version 20 and then uninstall version 16. Yes, now we have successfully uninstalled version 16, and let's list it out. We have only 20 right now, and let's install 16 and 18 again. Yes, 16 and 18 are successfully installed, and let's list it out. We have 16, 18, and 20. So we have done everything on Mac so far, and let's see how we can do on Windows. So I have already put this link in the below description, and you can click on it and you can go to this GitHub page, and let's hit that nvm setup zip file and let it download. Once it is downloaded, open that file and let's double click on this. And once you double click on this, it will open install wizard like this, and you can just accept the agreement and go to next, and then you can give locations where to install Node.js and where to install npm and all that stuff, and let's hit that finish button, and now you have nvm installed on your Windows machine. Let's open up let's open PowerShell, and let's see which version of nvm we are using. So we are using 1.1.11. Good. We have installed nvm successfully. Let's go ahead and yeah, we already know what is the latest version of Node.js. We have 18, and 20 is the latest version, and we already know what is the install command to actually install Node.js. So that command will actually install latest version of Node.js, which is 20. Let's use this command, and let's let it download. Yep, we are done with the download, and let's see which version we are using. Oops, so we are not able to use this command because on Mac, as soon as you run that command nvm install node version, you can instantly use node and npm commands, but on Windows you have to use, after the installation command, you have to use command. You need to do use command. So since we have installed 20.2.0 version, let's use that version, and then you can start using node and npm commands. Oops, yep, it's working now. So let's install version 18 as well. Yep, version 18 is downloaded, sorry, installed, and let's do use command to actually use that version 18. Now we are using version 18. And yep, we can check with the node version and npm version as well. Yeah, we have two versions. You can actually see with the list command, we have installed version 20 and we have installed version 18. So in the same way, you can actually use command to switch versions, Node.js versions between either you can install a number of Node.js versions, and you can actually use command to switch between these Node.js versions. So we have 18 and 20 on our mission. Let's install version 16 as well. Let it install. Yep, we have now version 16. Let's use the list command to see what are all the versions on our mission. We have 20, 18, and 16. Let's uninstall 18. Oops, this command didn't work because we did not give the entire number, like minor version as well. We need on Mac you can actually give 18 and it works, but on Windows you have to give the entire number, minor version as well. So let's use 18.16.0 so that it will be uninstalled successfully. Yep, it's uninstalled. Let's use the list command to see what are all the versions now. We have only 20 and 16 right now. So let's see. Oh, now the node. Okay. So basically, since you uninstall the version which is being currently used, you have to use the command use again to load the specific version of Node.js that you are going to use on your mission. So now we are using 20, and let's uninstall 16. And with this we will conclude our Node.js installation on our mission. Thank you for watching.